Hi everyone, my name is Nailan Al, and I'm the Head of Public Affairs here at Oracui.com. Welcome to the fourth and final administration session. I'll be keeping this segment brief as it's really about highlighting to you what you stand to gain from being an Oracui mentor. Now, I believe the value of mentorship is understated tremendously. Some of the most successful people in our world attribute their achievements to the guidance of their mentors: Warren Buffett, Barack Obama, Oprah Winfrey, to name a few. This is an opportunity for you to make that impact on a student. Up to 50% of students enter university undecided on their major, with up to 75% changing their major at least once before graduation. With your leadership and encouragement, those numbers have the potential to fall dramatically. And that's precisely what makes Oracui such a great initiative for you to be a part of. This is a chance for you to exercise your leadership and communication skills while helping students identify their passion early on. You will develop your confidence by being able to interact with and inspire new mentees. Being able to listen to concerns, understand the context, and provide an appropriate response will allow you to refine your emotional intelligence and empathy skills. These are personal skills that are invaluable to employers across a breadth of fields, skills that you will carry with you for the rest of your lives. And as the Oracui community grows, having experience as an Oracui mentor on your CV and LinkedIn will immediately be synonymous with possessing these qualities. On top of this, speaking about your subject will help reinforce your own study skills and knowledge of your subject. Being able to teach is an explicit indicator that you are confident with the material. Additionally, sharing about your academic journey also allows for a sense of introspection, and that will help you define what your aspirations are as well. Identifying your purpose in life and pursuing it at all costs is the key to happiness, and helping someone find that motivation is truly priceless. That sense of fulfillment and wishing you had someone to guide you out of high school is why I'd assume many of you are here. Remember, your mentee may very well be inspired to attend your university through your mentorship, allowing for meaningful friendships to be established beyond our platform. One important aspect to keep in mind as you progress on your journey as an Oracui mentor is that your mentees are young and simply eager to learn from you. There are no right answers, and so the meeting should feel relaxed and natural for you. All you have to do is put yourself in their shoes and think about what you wish you had known at that point in your academic journey. Do stay tuned for updates on exclusive benefits only available to Oracui mentors. We are constantly working with professionals around the world to establish and expand the Oracui internship database, which will offer priority access to Oracui mentor applicants. Furthermore, our content creation team are always looking for new ways to innovate and provide our mentors with premium courses and workshop access, exclusive Q&A sessions, and other resources. You can head on over to discern.org to explore some of our latest interviews with experts from around the world and see if there are any upcoming interviews you would like to be a part of. We thank you very much for being an Oracui mentor and look forward to your valuable contributions as we seek to guide the next generation of future leaders to their full academic and social potential.